With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is number of deuterium exchange in the given tautomer when the compound is kept in NaOD D2O for a long time is. So we have this compound and we have to check the number of deuterium exchanges in this reaction. So the options are A, 2, B, 4, C, 6 and D, 8. So let's discuss this reaction. So the reaction is basically deuterium exchange reaction. Deuterium, hydrogen deuterium exchange reaction, we can say this. So what happens in this reaction is, if any acidic hydrogen is present here, like if any acidic hydrogen is present here and we add D2O in presence of a base or an acid, this acid or base catalyzes the reaction. So we get this oxygen, this alpha hydrogen present here will be exchanged by deuterium. What happens is this oxygen is more electronegative. So this carbon, the carbon besides this carbon is alpha carbon and the hydrogen associated with this is alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen is replaced by this deuterium and we'll be getting this. So this is the deuterium, hydrogen deuterium exchange reaction. Now let us understand the mechanism by which how it reacts. So the mechanism is, at first enolate formation occurs. So what happens is, this consider R, C double bond O, C, H, H and H. It reacts with OD minus, as we have there NOD, NaOD, so this OD minus. So this OD minus will take this hydrogen carbon bond will break and this will break as such and this O minus will occur as such. So it will be enolate formation occurs. So this CO minus is enolate and C double bond C and H2 will be present here along with HOD. After this what happens is deuteration, that is addition of deuterium ion occurs. So what happens is this enolate reacts with D2O present here and what happens is this negative charge moves, it comes here and this double bond will attack here and it will move as such. So the reaction will be RC double bond O CH2D. So this is the basic mechanism of enolate formation here. So in our question, let us check how many protons will be removed here. So our question was this. So this is our question. Now as we can see, this carbonyl is present here. So this carbon, besides this carbonyl oxygen is alpha carbon. So this is alpha carbon and this is alpha carbon. Now the hydrogen associated here with is 1H and 2H. So this is alpha hydrogen and so these alpha hydrogens will be replaced by this D2O in NaOD. NaOD. So the end reaction is exchange of all the hydrogen with deuterium. So here only 2 hydrogens are present. So these 2 hydrogens will be exchanged by the deuterium present here. So the end product of the reaction will be this. So there are 2 protons which are acidic and which undergo this deuterium exchange reaction. So the answer of this question will be 2. A, 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.